The U.S. researchers who made the principal living robots say the living things, known as xenobots, would now be able to replicate, and in a manner not found in plants and creatures. Shaped from the undifferentiated organisms of the African pod frog, Xenopus laevis, from which it takes its name, xenobots are under a millimeter (0.04 inches) wide. The small masses were first uncovered in 2020 after tests showed that they could move, cooperate in gatherings, and self-mend. The researchers that created them at the University of Vermont, Tufts University, and Harvard University's Wyss Institute for Biologically Inspired Engineering said they have found a new type of organic multiplication not the same as any creature or plant is known to science. Indifferentiated organisms are unspecialized cells that can form into various cell types. To make the xenobots, the analysts scratched living indifferentiated organisms from frog undeveloped organisms and passed on them to brood. There's no control of qualities included. With the assistance of man-made consciousness, the scientists then, at that point, tried billions of body shapes to make xenobots more compelling at this sort of replication. The supercomputer thought of a C-shape that looked like Pac-Man, the 1980s computer game. They observed it had the option to track down little foundational microorganisms in a petri dish, accumulate many of them inside its mouth, and a couple of days after the fact the heap of cells turned out to be new xenobots. The xenobots are early innovations and don't yet have any pragmatic applications. In any case, this mix of subatomic science and man-made consciousness might be utilized in a large group of assignments in the body and the climate, as per the scientists. This might incorporate things like gathering microplastics in the seas, examining root frameworks, and regenerative medication. While the possibility of self-recreating biotechnology could start concern, the scientists said that the living machines were completely contained in a lab and effortlessly stifled, as they are biodegradable and directed by moral specialists. The examination was somewhat financed by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, a government organization that administers the improvement of innovation for military use. The review was distributed in the Friend Investigated Logical Diary PNAS on Monday.